What's up, everyone? It's Nico Moreno, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a really good income using our completely passive gold trading bot. And here's an example of a client who made $17,000 using our trading bot. I'm going to explain how this all works and how you can actually get your hands on it at the links down below. If you want to, you can start using this as well. This is one of our clients right here on the screen. And he says, not bad for a day. This bot actually made $17,000 in one day. And the reason, I know it sounds unreal, the reason though is because he was using this on a prop firm account. So if you don't know what a prop firm account is, it's basically a large account. Usually they're like $100,000 up to $500,000. And you can pay a small amount. It's usually like a couple hundred to a couple $1,000s to get access to a big account that is 500 grand or something like that. In this case, Andre is using a $500,000 account. That's why, he was able to make, this is about 3% of that, right? 17,000, 5,000 would be 1% of 500K. So 15K is 3%, so a little over 3%, right? So, it kind of makes sense given that he's doing such a massive account, a $500,000 account. That he bought with us. And you can do that too, by the way, at the links down below if you want to. You can check this out and you can get started, doing the same thing. And then I kind of wrote this down here. I just was being a little cheeky, but it's true, right? I said, sorry, but if you're not doing this, you actually hate money. Because, again, this is an autopilot thing, right? So our trading bot, I'm going to show you it in just a second, but it happens completely on autopilot. You don't have to learn how to trade. You don't have to do... you don't have to stare at charts. You don't have to do anything. You can do this alongside your full-time job. It just runs on autopilot, right? So that's about it. Again, the reason why this made so much money in one day is because he was doing this on a large account. So if you do this on a smaller prop firm account, like 100 grand, then this would have made about 3% in a day. Let's say that's about $3,000. Right? So it scales with your account size. You're going to make roughly the same percentage, but it's just going to be, a different dollar amount. So let me show you on the screen here, the gold bot. By the way, we are filming this on a Saturday morning, so the market is currently closed. That's why it says waiting for next tick and stuff like that. And, the price isn't really moving. But you can see, this is real. This is like my MetaTrader right here. This is a $100,000 account. And you can see, all the trades right here. And I started this, actually, if we go back to the earliest trade, I started this on, you can see right there. If you look over at the date, I started this on 9/11, 2 days. So, it's pretty crazy. So, again, I'm going to put the links down below if you want to check out how you can get started using this bot too. We have two different ways you can do it. One, you can just purchase access to our trading bot and you can do whatever you want with it. Or we also have a managed service where we will we'll set up your prop firm accounts for you, which means you don't have to do any setup at all. It's completely hands-off for you. We'll get the accounts, we'll set up the bot, we'll manage it, we'll put the right settings and the right risk parameters on the bot for you. And we'll get it to pass your challenges for you, and then you'll get payouts. So whatever one of those sounds better to you. One, if you're a person that wants to have access to the bot and do stuff yourself, that's totally fine. We have some clients that do that. Or a lot of clients actually prefer that we just do the whole entire thing for them, including like getting the prop firm account, getting it all set up, or even on multiple prop firm accounts. Like I said, we do that a lot. And you don't have to fumble around with anything. You don't have to have any tech experience for that. We just do it all. We set it up and we run it for you, and it just runs on autopilot, and then you just get the payouts once you pass your challenges. So that's it. Pretty simple. There's really nothing left to say. So if you guys want to get access to that, just click the links down below. Check out which option might be better for you. Whether you just want to have the bot yourself or you want to just have us set everything up for you, which is easier. Once we started offering that, actually, honestly, 90%, very close to 100% of people are doing that instead of getting the bot themselves. So, most likely you're going to want to just have the prop firm accounts fully managed by us, but it's easy for you, right? Easier for you. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and I'll finish the video here. Check the links down below if you want to get started on this, just like everybody else is, and you could have some pretty crazy wins depending on how big your account is. All right, I'll chat with you next time.